There are a lot of people working in the construction industry. In bigger projects, they are building up a team that works with another group of people. It's kind of overwhelming, so here are some ways in how you can improve productivity on site and work efficiently. Number 1. Communication is the key to success. Every construction firm needs to learn the art of communicating so they can let others feel that they are involved. It can also make the work easier as you communicate well and tell your expectations. This will put a little spark in their head that can inspire them to work better. Number 2. Every project manager should know how to set realistic goals that can be achieved in a specific time without compromising the quality. Setting up realistic goals also can help workers in doing their tasks and giving their 100% without being rushed. Number 3. Training is a must, most especially to those who are new in the industry. We provide training to know if we are on the same page. It can also ensure that they will be able to meet the task and finish it efficiently. Number 4. Acknowledging someone's good work cannot just let them feel that they are appreciated, they will also know that they are doing a great job. Practicing giving reward will spark some energy and can ensure a productive day. Number 5. Updating is easy peasy. It will ensure everything is at its place. It can make your life easier too, since you will be given an idea of what else you can do to further improve the quality of work of the people you are handling. Number 6. In a construction site, everything should be maintained. From the littlest nail to the biggest bulldozer, everything should be in its proper place. Making things organized can maintain a smooth working environment. Bear in mind that organizing your tools can prevent injuries and damages. Number 7. In this digital era, investing in technologies is a must. Why? It can ensure efficiency at work and can make the job easier. It can also provide you quality at work. Investing in technologies cannot just give you ease at work but can also induce productivity on site. In every project, people are expected to work to do the best of their abilities. And while there are some things that could potentially slow the process, you can always do something to improve it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please visit www.buildeee.com for more tips and advice. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our social media network.